The tax is evolving every single day, local tax and international tax. What is the recommendation to keep up with the changes and react in time? So keeping up with tax laws, both local and international, can certainly be challenging due to the complex and dynamic nature. Staying informed and responding promptly to changes is crucial for businesses, tax professionals, and even individual taxpayers. Here's some effective strategies that you can use. Regular training and continuing education. So in other words, making sure that you're keeping up to date with what is happening in the field. Workshops and training for finance and tax teams can certainly help ensure that they stay up to date. Obviously, subscriptions to tax news services. There's plenty of websites around that are giving daily updates. We certainly link to quite a few of those in a lot of the articles that we present to you, so just take a note of those. You obviously can use professional advisory services, retaining a tax advisor if you're a corporation. Obviously, retaining a tax advisor or consulting firm can be invaluable. These professionals specialize in monitoring tax law changes and can provide tailored services and advice. Engagement in professional networks. So this is obviously joining a professional network or association or even online forums related to taxation can be beneficial. Things like joining LinkedIn forums certainly does help with that as well. Attending tax conferences and seminars, I think that's self-explanatory. Leveraging technology, utilizing tax management software and updates automatically to reflect current tax laws and regulations. And then regular review and planning sessions, scheduling regular tax review sessions and assess the impact of tax changes. So this is, I'm gonna just diverge slightly from this. In one of the books, Tax Intelligence, and in that, companies should be setting up tax steering committees or a steercom that meet minimum once a year, but at least twice a year. A selection of people that are responsible for reporting up to CEO level, but have an understanding of the business and the financial aspects of the business. But what's also important there is that one has a lawyer present, and the reason for that is that you have client-attorney privilege. So if anything is discussed in those forums, it can be covered under a client-attorney privilege, and you might just want to have a look at that in the book as you page through it. And obviously, certainly making sure that you have on your steercom committee a tax specialist that fully understands what's happening. And that way, companies are driven to at least twice a year to make sure that they look at these issues, make sure that everything is filtering down throughout the rest of the organization. And then again, that also goes to the next point, which is building in-house expertise. I think it's very important for organizations to develop this internally, but also to rely and to work with external advisors who are constantly testing and being challenged, on the ground.